Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys for coming back again and again to my new subscriber. You are highly welcome, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. Yeah, so my beautiful people, this one they very sad story. One of our Nigerian brother cry come and say, yeah, he need help. He want me UN deport him back to Nigeria. Wetin happen to this guy is that according to him, he say he come Italy. That was 2016. I believe say the guy passed through Libya or whatever, but he said in 2016 na he come Italy. When he dey Italy, he dey more dinner for Italy. He say as him dey there, him dey camp, and then no document from there. And he come travel from Italy go Germany, go stay Aduro for Germany. He say but now 5 years and wey dey spend for Europe, no documents, no work, nothing. He dey beg the UN so that make dem come to rescue, so that make dem deport him back to Nigeria. I really feel sad for this our brother. Why? Because it's so difficult that you dey country without no document, nothing to move here and there. And now he cry come as he beg everybody so that may we help him to go back to him country. Say because this suffer wey him dey for here, the suffer don too much, and he no fit wan go Naija with good health as him dey so. And if you even see the brother sef, you will know say things not too dey okay with him, the look and everything. Where this guy waiting for do as far as now the guy dey Germany for, I don't know for whether he dey camp or he dey stay with any of his friends, waiting for just do if you like to go back to for the camp where he dey for Germany. Because I know say for Germany camp, I believe say that they support them like Italy here where I dey. People wey dey camp, they give them 70 euro every month. That man say the 70 euro is not even enough. I see a lot of people with that 70 euro, they can use it to buy maybe their body cream or whatever. Because I know say for Italy camp, they give them food. People wey dey camp, they give them food, they give them house where they want stay. Just that 70 euro for their pocket money. But for Germany, I don't really know how they do their people wey dey camp. I don't really know how they do their things there. Where my people, I go upload the video, make una listen to wetin he himself talk. Because the guy dey speak Yoruba. I don't say not everybody go understand Yoruba, but the way the guy take explain the something, I believe say a lot of people go still understand him. Make una just listen to this our very brother.
Orúkọ mi ni Elijah Amusan, ọmọ bíbí ọdún Òmu. Mo wá sí Italy 2016. Mo gbìyànjú document láti 2016, mi ò rí document gbà. Mo gbìyànjú láti gba lawyer, mo lọ sí Roma, mo rí lawyer, mo lo lawyer Italy Modena. Mo gbìyànjú láti rí document gbà, mi ò rí document gbà. Gẹ̀rẹ̀gẹ̀rẹ̀ mo lò ọdún 4 láì ṣiṣẹ́, láì ṣe pocket money. So mo dẹ̀ wá bẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè Africa, orílẹ̀-èdè àgbáyé, Nigeria, láti rescue mi padà láti Europe padà wá sí Nigeria. Mo bẹ̀ ní orúkọ ti Ọlọ́run, mi ò lè sọ jù báyìí lọ ọ̀rọ̀ orí fídíò náà. Kò ṣeé sọ jù báyìí lọ, ṣùgbọ́n màá sọ díẹ̀ ńbẹ̀. Nínú díẹ̀ tí màá sọ ńbẹ̀ náà ni láti ràn mí lọ́wọ́ láti padà lọ sí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ó ti pé ọdún 5 tí mo wọlé sínú ìlú yìí. Ọdún 20 ó ti wọ ọdún 5 tí mo wọ sí sínú ìlú yìí. Kò sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ kankan fún mi. Mo gbìyànjú ọ̀pọ̀ ọgbà ni mo ń sọnù ogbó. Níbí báyìí mo wà ní Germany báyìí, ní Frankfurt, ní Gíṣì. Láti bí ọdún kan ni mo ti wà ní 2016 mo sign ní Frankfurt pé mo ń lọ sí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Wọn ò dá mi padà. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn wọ́n ti dá padà. Mi ò mọ tí mo ṣe, mi ò mọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mi. Ṣùgbọ́n mo wá bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ìjọba Nàìjíríà, ẹ̀yin ìjọba Áfíríkà, láti rescue life mi láti dá mi padà lọ sílé. Ó dùn mọ́ mi nínú láti padà láti lọ rí àwọn ọmọ mi láti ràn òbí mi. Tí n bá délé láyọ̀ màá dúpẹ́. Ọ̀nà tí ẹ fi lè ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ẹ bá mi gbé dìde. Mo wà ní Germany, mo wà ní Frankfurt. Èmi orúkọ mi ni Elijah Amusan. Mo bẹ̀ gbogbo European Union, European government láti rescue life mi back to my country. I beg everybody. Mo bẹ̀ European Union to rescue my life, go back to my country. I don't have document from 5 years. I'm from Nigeria.
Yes, so my beautiful people, I don't listen to the video of wetin this our brother talk. Say because 5 years now wey in dey Europe without no document, and they call on UN so that may UN come deport him back to Nigeria. I really feel sad, I really feel bad for him, because e no dey easy wey you dey country for that years without no document. You dey roam about, and according to him, he say him don take lawyer, and nothing to show for it. And one thing is that like wetin I think that wetin this our brother made mistake, because as far as him dey Italy before, I believe say as he dey Italy, he don put hand for ground, and he con still go to Germany, because definitely they will know say the guy don first take Adulo for year, and he con still come Germany, because that kind thing e dey affect a lot of people. Wey a lot of some people, they go dey one country, they never get the document, they will still travel to another Europe country, go see take asylum for them. That thing e dey disturb a lot of people. That is why at the end of the day, they no go come give them document, because they don already know say this person dey waka up and down. He don first put hand for here, he still go the other side, go put hand for there. Like in case now, I believe say na make Germany people they no give am document, because the way he take explain, he say because he stay for Italy here, and he come still move to Germany. I believe say because of that one, na make Germany people they no give am document. I really feel for him, because it's so bad, my people. As I talked before, say you dey country without no document, it's like no hope, and nothing. And this guy need to beg everybody, so that make everybody share the video, so that may we join hand together to make sure may UN deport him go back to Nigeria. But my question is that if they deport him to Nigeria, because no matter what, my people, I know home is home, but no matter what, this Western world is still better past Nigeria. Why I talk that way is that just that in your case now, he no get document. Some people dey wey he no get document for so many years, but they still get the way how they take the do am, or maybe another person go give the document, make they take the work. A lot of people dey do am like that. Like him now, I don't really know where he dey, whether na camp he dey for Germany, or whether he dey squat with any of his friend. I don't really know. I wish maybe person wey I know wetin I for just advise me, okay, may he not just go Naija, borrow some they do all those kind thing. Yo, person go give you paper at the end every month, you dey pay the person. A lot of people, a lot of our Naija people, they do that kind thing, so as for them to survive. I really feel for him, because going back to Nigeria, I believe that is not the final solution. Nigeria, we all know that home is home, but that place, my people, like he not get 1 naira for there, he not get 2 naira. He just like go start from the square one again. Just go. I wish the guy get money for there. Person was okay, no problem, may he go there. At least when he reach there, he will still start with the money wey he get for there. He will still start 1 or 2 business for there. Looking at the guy alone, you know say this guy no even get 1 naira at all. People wey dey move from year to year, e no good make una stay one place. If una stay one, because the more some people dey move from year to year, all this dis white people, they know everything dey computer. Once you move from here, they don already know say this place wey you first dey before, you don already put your hand for there, and you wan still come my country, our country, you wan come still put hand. They go come imagine say why that place wey you for put hand for ground, why they no give you document? Why? Because they go come dey feel say maybe e get wetin the person do for there, na im make the government of that place dey no give the person document. And e no good if person dey one place. E still good make person dey stay one place no matter, because this document wey we dey talk about, e no easy. I've seen a lot of people, maybe e go take them 5 years, 8 years, 10 years before they even get document sef. Like him now, I feel pity for him, because the situation wey he dey, for him to even cry come out, you know say the guy dey in pain, say the guy him enemy dey suffer. And without even be to the look of the guy sef, you know say things is not even okay with the guy. I just pray that he find the right solution to himself, because calling UN to deport him back to Nigeria, I believe that is not the final solution. Because going back to Nigeria, where you no even get 1 naira for there, you no even get anything for there, any backup for there, na me say the suffer will too much. As in just me just exercise patient. With time, I believe say the Germany people, they will still give one document. Where my people, I need to leave you guys for here. Share this video, share with your friends. Thank you guys. See you guys on my next video. Please guys, share this video so that I believe that maybe 1 or 2 people can also help him out, or maybe they will console him what to do next. Bye everyone. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.